the Arrow Innovators. I, Akshay Jha, along with my teammates Siddharth Rai Satdev, Shaurya Bhatt, and Shlok Pandey, present to you Civic Connect, a web app which connects people to local authorities.
We all face silly problems in our day-to-day life, like potholes, broken street lamp, etc. Most people don't know where to report these problems, but even when they do, they get no results, which leave these problems unhinged.
Civic Connect is a web app which connects citizens with the local authorities. They have just upload a photo, write a short description, and mark the location. They can also track their complaint report. That is it been worked, is it pending, or is it completed. It provides a quicker and an easier way to report issues.
For the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for the back end, we have used Node.js. For the data storage, we have used MongoDB, and for the location tracking, we have used Google Maps API.
Now let me tell you about the key features of our app. Problem registration with image and location, notification for updates, and admin dashboard for authorities.
So let's see the working. So first you have to log in, like sign in. So this you have to fill in the details here. Click on sign in. It shows signed in successfully. So welcome Siddharth, citizen. Click to resolve. So here we will drag and drop the images. We will upload the images here. So as you can see, our AI detected that the issue was the pothole. So yes, this you can see, and this is the description of the issue that I had done. So this is the location. So you can mark the location on your own, or the AI will detect. So this is the contact or the email phone number, and you will then submit the report. So you can say as yes, report submitted, issue ID, category pothole. 100 points. So this app also gives points to the people. It encourages people to involve and to be active. So the aim of our project is to connect citizens with the local authorities. Thank you so much.